Well, hello everyone. I'm so glad that you have joined us for craft time. Today, we are going to make something really fun to help us remember how powerful prayer is. So, what you're going to need, she already has them, but you're going to need some strips of paper, some little praying hands that you can cut out if you want, some glue, and you could do like pen or markers, crayons, whatever you want. And we are going to make this prayer chain. So what you're going to do is you have 3 strips of paper. And on those 3 strips of paper, you're going to write 3 things that you want Jesus to help you overcome. So on one, we're going to write, I don't want to be selfish anymore, so we're going to write selfishness, because sometimes we are all selfish. And on another one, we are going to write unkindness, because sometimes we can be unkind, but Jesus, through the power of prayer, can help us be kind. So we're going to write that, something we want Jesus to help us overcome. And then how about disobedience? Because sometimes, are we always obedient? Not always, but Jesus can help us always be obedient. So we're going to write that. That's something we are going to pray about now. What I want you to do is take 3 more pieces of paper, and we're going to write the opposite on that, because Jesus is going to help us learn to be, you want to do that? Okay. Unselfish. So we're going to write that, unselfish. And he's going to help us learn to be kind. And he's going to help us learn to be obedient. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to make those into a chain. So first off, you want to open the glue for me?
Yep.
Okay. We're going to make this into a chain. You want to put some glue right there on this end, and we're going to stick it together. Okay, so there's that one. How are you doing on your chain? Are you getting it? Okay. Now, we're going to loop the next one through. We're going to put some glue there. So now, we're just going to lay this chain aside, and we're going to make our second chain. Okay, let's see, you want to put some glue there. You know, have you ever seen a miracle happen before? Maybe somebody was sick, and by praying for them, they got better. Or maybe you had a test in school, and you prayed that Jesus would help you do well, and you did well on your test. And you know what? By praying, you can have a direct part in helping miracles happen. Jesus is always eager to answer our prayers, and he's always there. And one thing he loves to do is help us overcome sin. And your craft might come apart a little bit like ours, so you might need to add a little extra glue sometimes, and that's okay. So then, put it right there. We'll let our other little chain, I'm just going to set it to the side and let it dry a little bit. And now, we are going to take our chains, just like this, and we'll lay it there. Now we're going to take our little praying hands, because it helps us remember how important prayer is. And let's glue our praying hands on the end. So this week, I want you to remember you can talk to Jesus about anything. He loves to hear us talk to him. Now this can help you remember how important it is to pray, and Jesus will help break those chains of sin. Until next week, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.